Welcome. Today we are going to review and learn more about DoorDash, a reliable food service delivery for local restaurants. I am opened up into a Google browser, but you can use any browser that you would like. And in my search box, I'm going to type in DoorDash. If you type it in as 2 words, that's all right. It will open up and you will still be able to get to the DoorDash you're looking for. You're going to notice it comes up as our very first option in our listings. I'm going to click on that. Even though there are more options down on the bottom, I want to click on that very first one that allows me to go to the website. Once I am to the website, you can tell by key features you're in the right area. It, number 1, says DoorDash across the top. That is their logo and their official symbol. Next thing I would like to do is log in. You need to log in before you can really go ahead and look through all of the restaurants that are there. But also, don't forget to enter your address of delivery. But if you don't, it's okay. You'll be able to do it in a little while. I'm going to go ahead and click on this sign up button for now so you can see what it looks like. When you go into sign up the DoorDash, you're going to be asked to go in a number of different manners. You can use Facebook or you can use Google. For us, we're going to go ahead and use the Google option, or you can yourself go ahead and sign in for sure if you do not have a Google login already to go. Click on Google. And now I'm given the list of items that I can filter by. I am going to look here down at what types I can work with, or I can just browse through the page if I so choose to. You're going to notice up here that on my navigation bar on the top that I have my delivery. I can use a pickup option. I've already put my address in, but you could put it in whenever it prompts you to. You can come over here and search for a restaurant, and right here is your cart, and your cart will allow you to see what you've placed in your order. So let's go ahead. I already know what I'm hungry for, so I'm going to come up to my search box and I'm going to type in Subway. And notice in my drop-down menu they're giving me, it gives me a lot of different options. I'm going to just go click on the first one. We have been taken to Subway. There are a number of different options I'd like to point out before we make our order. Notice that beside or underneath of the Subway icon, there is an option called Free Delivery with Dash Pass. That is a paid option for $9.99 a month that you can purchase and have withdrawn automatically if you so choose. Or you may just do the one-time delivery fee of $3.99. You will also notice that the particular Subway that's closest to my address that is inputted into DoorDash, this store is open from 10 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. It does have a 4.6% rating, which is actually pretty good. Next, we're going to look down here. It's going to be 21 to 31 minutes to get to us, and it is indeed 0.9 miles away. If you come over here, you're going to see that there is an option called Start Group Order. That's when you have a number of different people who would like to have their name on their order and order it all at the same time. You have menus, and you also have the option to change from delivery to pickup. If you come down a little bit further, you're going to see the different options that Subway has. I already know what kind we'd like to have, so I'm going to go in, and right here is the first one for us. We're going to go into the chicken teriyaki footlong. When I click on that, it's going to give me some options of what I want. First of all, by bread. We're going to choose Italian bread, and I'm going to save toasted, and I'm going to save that option. Now I'm going to come down here to cheese, and this time we're going to choose provolone cheese. From there, I'm going to come down. We don't want any veggies on that one, and we do, however, want the sweet onion sauce, which is right down here. No additional seasoning, no Parmesan cheese, just no extras. Nothing, no cookies today, no classic Coke drink. We're just going to go ahead and put that one into our cart. To save some time, I have went ahead and ordered my last sandwich, and I have clicked on the cart that is at the top right hand of the screen. It reveals my entire order. At this time, I can remove something if I'd like to, or I can just come up here and I can click on checkout. When you click on checkout, you're brought to your delivery information. You can see that we want ours to be delivered in 24 to 34 minutes, our location, our information for our payment, as well as a summary of our order. I'm going to say everything is good and come over here to my order, and I'm getting ready to place it, but I do want to make sure everything is coming up correctly. It is 22. I'm going to move on down. We got our free delivery because of our Dash Pass, and we are going to add a tip for our driver. When I'm good, I place my order. I have to enter my verification code. From there, I can verify it, and I will find this verification code on my text messaging for my phone number. So I'm going to go ahead and click verify. And my order is being sent to Subway. Once they receive the order, they will begin processing it, and it will be delivered to your doorstep.